In 2024, survivalism isn't just for preppers, it's for everyone. Today, people are embracing a more practical approach to being prepared, focusing on skills and essentials that help with everyday resilience, not just apocalyptic scenarios. First, let's talk about modern survivalism trends. In the past, survivalism often meant stocking up on weapons and hiding in bunkers, preparing for doomsday events. But in 2024, the focus has shifted towards realistic, everyday preparedness. The goal is to be ready for short-term emergencies like power outages, economic disruptions, or natural disasters, all while building self-sufficiency for the long term. So, what are the essential supplies you need? The basics are still the same: food, water, and essential items. However, today's survivalists are also thinking about sustainability. Storing enough food for at least a few weeks is critical, but make sure it's a mix of non-perishable goods, freeze-dried meals, and canned items. Water storage and filtration systems are key. Ensure you have enough for drinking, cooking, and hygiene. A first aid kit, medications, and backup power sources like solar chargers also go a long way in ensuring you can handle short-term disruptions. Next, many survivalists in 2024 are learning homesteading skills to become more self-sufficient. Homesteading is all about doing more for yourself and your household. This might include gardening, growing your own fruits and vegetables, raising chickens for eggs, or learning how to preserve food. Basic home repair skills are also invaluable. Knowing how to fix plumbing, patch a roof, or repair appliances helps you stay independent in times of crisis. But survivalism is no longer just an individual endeavor. Community building has become a crucial part of the movement. During an emergency, mutual aid can be life-saving. In 2024, more survivalists are investing in building strong, supportive relationships with their neighbors and local communities. Sharing resources, skills, and knowledge within your community can provide safety and sustainability, especially in times of social or economic strain. For those who want to go further, long-term self-reliance planning has also become popular. This involves preparing for extended disruptions, whether from climate change, global supply chain issues, or geopolitical instability. This can include having off-grid energy sources like solar power, rainwater collection systems, and renewable resources. The idea isn't about fear. It's about being ready for whatever comes your way. Technology plays an important role in survivalism today as well. From portable water filtration devices to advanced first aid tools and solar-powered gadgets, there are plenty of innovations that make preparedness easier and more accessible. In conclusion, survivalism in 2024 is about being realistic, practical, and community-focused. Whether it's for short-term disruptions or longer-term sustainability, having the right mindset and skills makes a world of difference. Start small, stock up on essentials, and build a network of support. Preparedness isn't just for preppers anymore. It's for everyone. And remember, it's not about living in fear, but about feeling confident and ready for whatever the future may hold.